The US wastes more energy than any other country, including China. In 2013, the United States had an energy efficiency of only 42%, implying that 58% of all energy produced was wasted. This video reveals a few energy-saving measures implemented by factories around the globe. Manufacturing, agriculture, construction, and mining account for nearly 1/3 of global energy consumption. In today's market, factories face numerous challenges as they strive to remain competitive and turn a profit. Energy efficiency upgrades assist business in lowering their energy and operational costs. The upgrades help improve a company's competitive position because well-maintained and efficient equipment improves reliability, reduces scrap, and increases productivity. As a result of increased productivity, revenue rises. Here are 8 ways factories reduce industrial energy costs to make manufacturing more energy efficient and less expensive. Number 8. Developing an energy management team. One of the primary reasons energy and cost-cutting initiatives fail is a lack of clarity about who is responsible for managing such projects. Factories form an energy management team comprising a representative from each department. Bosses target those who already have an incentive to keep costs low or who can be rewarded based on how much energy a team saves. Team members then collaborate to monitor energy usage throughout the facility and implement waste reduction measures. Number 7. Conducting an energy audit. A few factories undertake in-house energy audits with the help of an energy audit guidebook and facility experts. However, most seek assistance from an energy specialist, which is recommended. A helpful energy audit calculates the amount of energy consumed by each department and identifies peak consumption times throughout the year. Furthermore, an energy audit suggests which energy efficiency upgrades provide the best return on investment. We will later talk about 2 other energy-saving measures that an energy audit enables factories to implement. Number 6. Optimizing air compressors. Industrial air compressors significantly contribute to energy consumption and waste. Some are poorly designed, while others are neglected. Air compressors waste up to $3.2 billion annually in energy costs in the United States alone. In fact, a single leak can cost a company $500 or more per year. Number 5. Strategically scheduling machinery use. Based on facility energy audit insights, factories determine which machinery requires the most energy to operate. If at all possible, factories run these machines outside of peak hours. This is relevant because peak hours can account for up to 30% of a manufacturing facility's monthly utility bill. Number 4. Conducting an HVAC system audit. HVAC systems are in charge of maintaining air quality and comfort on a factory level. They also account for nearly 52% of a building's total energy consumption. Many factors influence how efficient an HVAC system is, including system design, operation method, and maintenance. To ensure an efficient HVAC system, factories 1. Install a programmable thermostat, which can cut consumption by up to 15%. 2. Use a DVC, demand-controlled ventilation system, which regulates outdoor air intake based on a facility's carbon dioxide concentration due to the number of employees inside. 3. Repair and insulate ductwork to cut HVAC energy consumption by 30%. Energy use and other key performance metrics can be measured and improved by developing a standard energy data model based on production. For example, if an audit revealed that a machine used 40% of its total energy consumption when it was not producing anything, you would be empowered to de-energize the equipment when it was not in use, hence lowering costs and greenhouse gas emissions. Number 3. Improving the well-being of people and the planet through digital tools. Faced with a shortage of skilled workers, companies across the manufacturing sector are equipping workers with wearable devices and software to train them faster and more efficiently. Industries cut costs exponentially when these devices are combined with a clear definition of performance indicators. This also results in a 50% reduction in carbon footprint due to 50% less travel. Please share this video with anyone you know who works in a factory. They could help to reduce global energy consumption. Number 2. Scheduling shutdowns and startups. Scheduled production floor shutdowns in which all machinery is turned off for an extended period, like the weekend or off-shift periods, could significantly reduce industrial energy costs. Factories know when to schedule these shutdowns based on their facility energy audit insights. They avoid powering up all machinery at once to prevent a significant spike in energy demand. Production floors stagger the startup of equipment to reduce this spike. Subscribe to this channel to learn about the latest trends in industry and tech. Number 1. reducing waste through edge AI sensing quality control. Instead of cloud-based sensing solutions, factories use sensors driven by artificial intelligence to reduce energy consumption and improve operational efficiency. By doing so, factories gain insights into asset performance while eliminating energy-intensive processes that transfer data to be analyzed in the cloud. Some factories claim to have reduced their energy consumption by 98% by employing AI. You may watch our video on lessons learned from EV makers as they strive to make their cars energy efficient.